this little cucumber vine, really and truly, you would have never think that it was going to give you anything based on how it was before, and it just started make good progress. Look at it. It was as tiny as this one over here. It was small like this one, you know, and then it started to put out blooms just like this one right here. Yep. And so when I saw this cucumber right here, I said, let me pollinate it, because I'm not seeing any pollinators active in the garden. I see them, but once in a while. I'm a friend to the bees, really. I know there are several other pollinators, but it feels so good when you see bees, especially in your garden. Well, for me. Alright, so I just unpollinated this myself. So this is what it looks like now. And I realized that one is coming right here. So I'm saying, alright then, I am going to look out for it, make sure I pollinate it, because even if I get one that is not pollinated properly, just like this, I'm quite good with it. So yeah, so I had these in place and I thought they would have gotten further, but I'm still pleased, I'm still grateful. I hope this little one decide to get jealous and start to go on with some things. Now this one, I was moving the other day, well, trying to trellis it up, and I break it right there, and it was much bigger than this one, you know. I see this one trying. I need to just set them up. I have to come back in the garden to set up some stuff. But later that is. So my tomatoes over here making nice progress right in here. Alright, so these are the cucumbers I want to show you. One spreading down here, so I need to get that curb. I need to get it up the trellis. This one making its way. Yeah, so look at this one start to flower. So you see, succession planting is very good because you'll have a constant harvest. I want the garden to be at a place where I'm just not out of certain things. So I want to have a constant supply of cucumbers. I love cucumbers, you know.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Hello, my gardening families. So today we're going to plant out these cucumbers. These are pickling cucumbers. Alright, so basically what I'm doing is planting in succession. So basically, succession planting, for those who are new to gardening, is planting more of whatever crops you are growing before they are completely out. So you always have to go back to. So after I plant these babies right here, sooner or later with this one right here will stop produce. So I am going to, maybe 2 weeks time, sow some more cucumbers. So I want to have a constant supply. Alright, so so we are going to get to planting. Alright, I appreciate you all. Welcome to all my new gardening family, and thank you so much, my faithful gardening family, my channel members. Oh my, I must say shout out to you. Thank you so much for joining my membership and for giving me that extra push, that extra support here in these YouTube streets. I love and appreciate you one and all. I really didn't pick out any location as yet, so I'm just going to put them anywhere I feel like. Yeah. Yeah, that's just how it is. Let me just get to planting. So I'm going to use this little spoon to just scoop them up. I want to get some soil on it. And usually when I'm planting, I'm going to do any sort of transplant or planting, whatever. I didn't water this morning because I wanted it to dry out. I didn't want, when I try to take it up, the soil, it's sappy, and then I don't get any soil with the roots to go in the container. Alright, and I also prefer to do my transplant in the evenings, Right now it is evening, but you'll see this in the morning. So yeah. Time to plant. I'm going to put one right here so you can have this trellis. Uh-oh. Oh no. Alright. I'm so happy none of you got damaged. Could have caused some serious damage right there. Alright, so this is what I wanted. I wanted to get soil on it. I hope you are seeing it. I hope you are seeing it. So after I'm done, I'm just going to water everything at once. I am going to put another one right here, behind here. Uh-oh. You know, I broke one of them, guys. I broke one. But I'm still going to stuck it in. Still going to stuck it somewhere. I'm going to put one right there. I hope my big head is not in the way. I'm going to put it right here, so I'm going to have to take off some of these leaves off this sweet pepper, bell pepper right here, so that it can get some more light. Put one right there, so right there, right there, right there. Alright, that is that. So we are going to put these now. Look at that butterfly. Let me take time. Look at it. Whew. Look at the different colors. Pretty. Alright, so we are going to put these others now. That is the question right now. That is the question. So I have right there, so right here, so I'm gonna have right there, so alright. I'm not seeing no more can go right here. So. Mr. Butterfly, you like in here, man? I move from up there and come down here. I'm gonna see no more space right here, so because I'm going to have to clear up here so little, let it get some sunlight. I think I'm going to stuck one inside here, so should I? Yeah. So I did put this one right here, so I'm not sure if it's on camera. I realized while I was recording that it said that my memory was full. So this is it right here. Alright, so that is that right there. So I wasn't planning on putting back any over here, so you know, I have one in this container and one in there, so I'm going to put back one right here. So I was saying I'm not going to put back any there because of the pestilence, but let me just rest one in there. Alright, can put this one. Uh-oh, I didn't get this one with any dirt at all, but I'm putting it in nevertheless. Nevertheless, like this. I'm gonna put it around here. I'm going to figure out where to put these. I'll leave you here for today. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.